Dear friends, in this video we will see how to edit a screenshot. Let us go to the video. Let us open Google Chrome. Let us search for some other images. Say for example, Ukraine war images. Let us click images. Okay. So let us click one image. Okay. Let me take a screenshot of this image. Okay. So in order to take screenshot, press Shift window key and S key, and this will open the snipping tool. Okay, this is a snipping tool. This is of rectangular snip. It will take rectangular snip. This will take freeform snip. Right, this is window snip, and this is the full screen snip. So let us take a rectangular snip and then edit the screenshot. So this is the way. You need to position the cursor, mouse, then left click it, then drag it to the record area. Okay, then leave it. So this is the snipping tool image. Okay, now suppose you want to edit this image, or let me close this. Let me take one screenshot which is not proper. Okay, Shift Windows S. Okay, like this let me take. Okay, let me take a screenshot like this. Okay, so this is the screenshot which I have taken using snipping tool. Now I want to remove all this part, this side, these sides, and then bottom, everything. So in order to do this, what to do is go to the bottom, click this image crop, click. Now you can drag it and adjust this area. See here, or you can do like this, then drag it and move it. Similarly bottom also you can drag it and move it. Similarly the top. Okay, now after dragging all this and ensuring that the image is right, put a tick mark, apply enter. Okay, or tick mark. Now the image has been edited, the screenshot images has been edited. Now you can save it. There are three dots here, click it, click save. Okay, I will be saving in my desktop as screenshot image. Okay, you can save it as in JPG, PNG, or GIF. I am saving it as JPG. Now click save. Now the image has been saved. Okay, so this is a procedure how to edit a screenshot. Thank you friends, thank you so much for watching.